Mastering QuickBooks for global transactions. Strategies for large enterprises. Navigating QuickBooks for international transactions for large companies requires finesse and strategic planning. Let's discuss the complexities and the best practices for seamless management. International transfers demand meticulous attention to detail, especially concerning multiple currencies and compliance with global tax laws. QuickBooks' multi-currency feature offers a solution, but harnessing its full potential requires a deep understanding of its functionalities and proper utilization for compliance. The basics of international transactions in QuickBooks. QuickBooks' multi-currency feature facilitates transactions in various currencies, enabling receipts and payments across borders. Setting up involves configuring your home currency and adding additional currencies for international dealings. Each currency requires a designated account for accurate tracking and reporting. Managing multi-currency transactions. Once enabled, multi-currency permanently alters your financial data presentation. It's imperative to adhere to the best practices in recording financial transactions to ensure accuracy. Training your finance team and consulting with a CPA for regulatory compliance are essential steps. Ensuring accurate currency conversion and exchange rates. QuickBooks automatically updates exchange rates, but offers flexibility for manual adjustments. Careful considerations to historical transactions and matching exchange rates ensures precise reporting. Handling gains and losses from currency fluctuations. Currency fluctuations may yield gains or losses, impacting financial reporting. Distinguish between unrealized and realized gains or losses, and maintain consistency in exchange rates for transactions to mitigate discrepancies. International tax compliance. Compliance with international tax regulations is paramount. QuickBooks allows customization of tax codes for different countries and facilitates tracking of import and export duties. Regular tax reporting and awareness of tax treaties aid in maintaining compliance. Advanced reporting for international finance. Leverage QuickBooks Advanced Reporting for customized analysis across currencies, facilitating financial performance, monitoring, and strategic decision-making. Integration and automation for global operations. QuickBooks integrates with international banking platforms and offers ERP integrations for streamlined transactions. Automation enhances efficiency and ensures compliance in international dealings. Fusion CPA offers comprehensive accounting services, training, and guidance on international taxes, ensuring strategic financial planning and growth. For expert assistance in navigating international transactions, schedule a discovery call with one of our CPAs today.